That's the first joke of the night. We're not going to spend a lot of time talking. Can I have a little more of this, please? And a little more of that. And a lot more of that. How are they? I mean, how are you? Little feedback on there. Oh, no, we don't want that. Hit it again. Good job. There you go. Good job. Okay, we're going to play some of your favorite stuff. And we're also going to do lots of surprises. Peachtree, sit in. Here we go! Shout it out loud! You want to see my sneakers? Is that what's going on? They match my underwear. Can you make this a little louder, young man? I know where you live, so a little louder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for that. So we're going to need your help a little bit. We're going to do some tunes you know. Like, Welcome to the Jungle. No, not that one. Fairy tales, Peachtree. No, we won't do that one. But here's a song I wrote a few years back that Kiss, my favorite band. You know that band. That wore more makeup and higher heels than your mommy ever did. By the way, young man, what's your mom's name? What? Erica. Oh yeah, Erica. Say hello for me. Hi, Erica. What's up? Where is she? She's at home, of course. Doing what? You don't know what she's doing? No? Dad here? You're here solo? With your buddy? Stand up a second, let the girls see you. Come on, stand up. Girls, take a look at that! Hey, those are some nice shorts you got on. Yeah, they make them for men too? Here all night, you're here all night. Young man, have you, oh, there's a woman talking to you. You know who that woman is? Who is she? She's mine, yeah. No relationship to the young man? Oh, I see. Have you ever wondered what's 12 inches in white? Nothing. Well, gotta get us something for that. No. Okay, we're gonna need your help. This is called Are You Ready? I wrote this, I don't know why. I'm an only child, I have a lot of time on my hands. Too much time on my hands. And we're gonna listen to the girls first, okay? You don't have to hold your hands like this. Show them what you got. You gotta air those puppies out. It gets musty in there whenever you want. Show them what God gave you. And what I want to see. So girls, we're going to need your help. It goes like this. Are you ready?
Girls, right there.
That's pretty good. Girls again. Are you ready? Hey boys, let's show them the cojones. Men, are you ready? Are you ready? There's a lot of stuff in those balls. They just got... One more time. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, here's how the song goes. Watch out.
Where the sun don't shine, baby, kiss like your lips. Oh, let your backbone slip.
We don't use tapes, no backing vocals. And when a guy who's turning 76 years old I can't remember a band lyric. I wrote it. How's the second number? Well, you've written a few hundred songs. I can't remember this. Wait a minute. Let your back won't slip. I know that part. Thanks, Shakespeare. Bye, dear Nib. I am pleasure. I am pain. What's that? Bound to happen. What? Sing the first verse again. Okay. Chorus. 2. 1, 2, 3.
sun doesn't shine. Like your lips. Oh, let your backbone slip.
Who are you texting? Everybody? What do you say? Tell me the truth. Are you saying, hi, y'all doing? Oh, that's very sweet. Where's your wife? I don't know. She's in Missouri. I don't know where to start with the next question. Why are you here and your wife is in Missouri? They tell. You're shaking your head, yes? She's working. CIA. All right. I'm sweating like Mike Tyson at a spelling bee. I better be careful. Mike's a friend. Kicked my Jewish ass all over the place. What are you doing with your fist? What does that mean? Yeah, that's my class. Yeah, that's good. Okay. We're going to get a little heavier. I wrote this a few years back with a young man who actually came into his own. At the beginning, though, he wasn't much. Gave him a little shot. Give me a few bucks? No. Brian Adams called this thing his War Machine! Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Make it a little interesting. Anybody who's texting, including Chicky Doodle over there, Chick-fil-A, one of my favorite. Of course, it doesn't count unless you swallow. Oh, come on, Gene. So, texty girl, what are you texting over there? What do you got? Who are you texting? OnlyFans? Tell me the truth, are you on there? Tell me the truth. She's shrugging her shoulders. That's what I don't want you to shrug back. OnlyFans, right? I mean the guy next to you. Okay, we're gonna have more fun, because what is it about? You see this blonde chick, the second one? Come on up here. Always do what I say. I want you to come up here. I don't want you to come up. But always do what I say. Come on up here. Just climb over. You got long legs. Just climb over. She's negotiating to wear my shoes. I'll trade you my shoes for your shorts. Talk into this. I don't have anything under them. Oh, well, that's a deal breaker. You don't have anything under them? Am I on OnlyFans? I haven't been yet. Are you on there? Okay, where's the microphone for our young lady? Put it right there. Say hello to Lee. Lee is a heterosexual. Be careful. Where's the healthy girl that God has blessed? Come on over here, Blondie. No, it's over on top. Yeah, you. You know who you are. Come on over. No. Yes, here she comes. At least once. Hurry up, take your time. I'll be 76 soon. Try to go sideways like a crab so they can see the front shoulder. Damn it. Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Lisa.
Do you two know each other? Would you like to? Okay, usually Ray Charles would have the Raylets and everything. What are we going to call our chick background singers? Doesn't matter, I can't sing either. What should we call the chicks? The chicklets. Got anything better? No. What did you say?
I like chicklets, that's good.
Chicklets it is.
Chicklets.
Okay. You chicks are gonna go like this. Together, get to the microphone. Hold it the way you used to. You know, just put your hands around it. There you go. God bless. It's like she knows. How did she know? You can do it with one hand too.
We can do it no hands.
Okay, you'll do this. There we go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah!
Wow. Do it for free or you want money? What? How much? Well, you can talk into the microphone. They want to know what you're saying too.
We want money.
Just say how much you want. Is your man here tonight? Okay, which one's your unlucky guy? Which one? Where's your guy? He's hiding. Are you with the light blue? Are you married, sir?
Not yet. You know why men die younger than their wives? Because they want to. Just a joke, ladies. Okay, we're gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, twice. Here's the song. It's called I Love It Loud. When I point to you, just go. You kids can join along too. Okay, here we go. You know this one. Oh yeah, and it goes like this. Sing. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah. In 413. 413. Okay. I'm married. Careful, careful. Say hello to AJ, that large man that just ran across the stage. Hi, AJ. AJ is a made man. What the fuck happened? Are we having fun yet? I want to tell you the story about a man on the road. What song I need on the road? You gotta stop real slow. Well, if you don't treat her right, I'm gonna go tonight now. That was Roy Head. True, you're right. You're too young to know what I'm talking about. You know, before you kids were born, Uncle Gene discovered a band called Van Halen. You ever hear them? So this was in 1978. Might have been 1878. They were playing a small club in LA, and I never saw anything or heard anything like that. So I signed them right away to Man of a Thousand Faces, my company. And young man, I'm watching you. I'm kind of a big deal. I'm on stage. And I know where you live. So I flew to New York and we recorded 15 songs that became the crux, is a word you don't often use, first album and second album. And classic albums they are. One song that we did, that I produced, called House of Pain. Although the band recorded a song called House of Pain, it is not the same song. What we're about to do, Van Halen never played live and never recorded it. This is the original version, the steamroller of all Van Halen songs, called House of Pain. And Uncle Jason is going to take lead vocals.
musicians. Everybody can sing lead, everybody plays multi-instruments, even our poor, lonely Brian Tishy. What? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is an important thing we were just told. No jokes, this is serious. Lightning is about to come here. We're just told by the stage manager. Are we leaving the stage for a little while? Yeah, we gotta get off the stage. Gotta be safe. Be careful. We'll be back soon as the lightning passes. Not allowed to be in the concert because this is a thunderstorm. It's raining, it's comfort. Lightning storms are dangerous. These people are not allowed. So this is for your safety. Please come out and see us again. We'd love to play for you. I wish we could control the children because they could be a problem.